Hi, my name is Gabriel and I'm going to show you how to factorize the trinomials of the form x squared plus bx plus c and ax plus bx plus c. We have our first problem here. What we have to do first is multiply x times x, so that we have x squared. Then we have to find two numbers that multiplied gives us 8, and when we add them, gives us 6. We have two positive signs, so we have to write here a positive and a positive. If we look to those numbers, they are 2 and 4. And this is our final answer, because if we check it, we have x squared times plus 4x plus 2x plus 8. And if we simplify this answer, it is x squared plus 6x plus 8. This is our second problem. We have to do the x times x to have x squared. And notice that we have a positive and a negative sign. This means that we have to find two numbers that when multiplied gives us 16, and if we add them, the result is minus 10. This means that we have two minus signs. And we have to look for two numbers that multiplied are 16 and added are 10. These numbers are 8 and 2. And this is our answer. If we check it, we'll have x squared minus 2x minus 8x plus 16. And if we simplify it, we have x squared minus 10x plus 16. This is our third problem that is harder because we have a term before the x squared. So we have to write the 7x and the x to have 7x squared. Now we have to find two numbers that multiplied are 4, and if we multiply this 7 times the number and then we add it, it is 29x. So we can try with 4 and 1, so that when we multiply this, it is 28 and x. So it is 29x. We have to put the 4 in this side so that it multiplies the 7 and have 28 as a result. Now we have, if we check this answer, we have 7x squared plus 28x plus x plus 4. And if we simplify it, we have 7x squared plus 29x plus 4. So this one is our answer. Now this one is our last problem. Notice that it has a term before the x squared again, but we are going to use another technique that is simpler. In this x, what we have to do is write the middle term here and the product of the first and third term in here, that is 10. Now we have to find two numbers that added gives us 7 and multiplied gives us 10. These numbers are 5 and 2. Now, what we have to do is rewrite the equation with these two terms instead of the 7x. So we have to expand it. 2x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 5. And we have to factorize them by grouping. We're going to take this group and this group. So we have 2x times x plus 3, and we have 2 times x plus 3. What we have to do now is write the terms that are outside of the parentheses in one single parenthesis, like 2x plus 2. And we have to write this term. Notice that they are the same, so we only write it once. So we have x plus 3, and this one is our answer.